Today for the Bitcoin price, are you holding any Bitcoin, Ethereum or XRP? In this case, you do not want to be missing out on what I have to show you today. I will show you completely insane updates on Bitcoin, Ethereum and also on XRP, believe it or not. Because Bitcoin actually, after our coverage on Sunday, did exactly what we predicted. I will be sharing with you my exact game plan on Bitcoin, Ethereum and XRP. I will be showing you my trades on Phemex and my new crazy trade on Bybit. All my price targets, all my expectations and my game plan. If you watched yesterday's video here on Wanchain and you bought it right there, you already made within a few hours 38% in profits. What am I expecting for Wanchain right now and what is my next DeFi pick? After we were making so crazy gains on the DeFi portfolio, I will be showing you my complete portfolio here and 3 coins I just added newly here today. Guys, you do not want to be missing out on that video, this is for sure, so make sure you're watching it all the way through until the very end, because in the end I will be putting the gems of that video. So make sure you take a seat, you sit down, you scroll down and you smash up the like button for that video. Guys, you are proven by the numbers the best and most supportive crypto community in the world. Thank you so much for that. It is not going unnoticed. I am reading every single comment of yours. Thanks for all the likes, thanks for subscribing, thanks for the bell and pressing on all, because 35% of the people watching right now are not subscribed. So what are you waiting for if you want these daily videos? And with that being said, welcome crypto friends and welcome back to MMCrypto. My name is Chris and as always we are really pumped to go straight into the content. Alright guys, and as always we are starting here on the 4-hourly candles for the Bitcoin price. And man, this is an important episode. We will be talking about Bitcoin, about Ethereum, about XRP, about our Wanchain call from yesterday, whether there is more upside. I will be talking about all of that, but right now I want to be focusing here on the Bitcoin price in the immediate short term, because you can see after our coverage right here on Sunday, Bitcoin actually did exactly what we expected. A bounce here from this trend line and then we went above the 7,500, which is the VPVR point of control, and then tested the 12,100 US dollars. And as expected, Bitcoin got here this retracement, this bounce, and the question right now is, of course, what is Bitcoin going to do in the immediate short term? I want to be talking about that, but first of all, let me show you this little clip here from the Sunday's episode. Already getting the first rejection close to that level, and in case we are bouncing here, I do expect some resistance coming in at these levels. So only if we bounce and we break this level, in this case I think 12,100 will be very easy to achieve. And as you can see, we exactly got the bounce and Bitcoin went here up to the 12,100 US dollar level. So what am I expecting for Bitcoin here in the immediate short term? Let me go out here a little bit and pull out the VPVR, because it is more important than ever. As you remember, I covered that we will be probably facing here some resistance, bounce back down, and once Bitcoin goes above this 12,100 US dollar level will be a very easy target to achieve. But on the flip side right now, now that we got rejected here, I am expecting some support coming in here, if not here, at least at this trend line. So I am not expecting in the short term, I could be wrong, let's wait and see what happens, but I am not expecting in the short term for Bitcoin here to break down. You know my bearish price target in case Bitcoin breaks down, it is here among the 10,300 to 10,500 US dollar levels, but this is an unlikely or more unlikely scenario. I actually expect Bitcoin to get here support and then eventually retest the 12,100 US dollar level once again. And guys, you know the deal, trading one-on-one, the more we are testing a level here, especially in an upwards bull trend, the more we are testing it, and we tested it once. We tested it twice. This one was unfortunately a fake out, but here we are testing it another third time. The more we are testing it, the more likely it is to break out up actually towards the upside. And I want to give you a short reminder here on my price targets for Bitcoin. As you know, I opened a trade here at this specific breakout of this falling wedge. As you can see right here on Bybit, this is my position, $3,500 in a profit, 35% approximately. You can see here my buy-in price was just below 11,400. It was exactly here at this retest of the confirmation of the breakout. So I traded that towards the upside. And as you remember, I also traded this breakout here at 9,400 US dollars. I am still holding it open. I always update you here completely transparently. As you can see, this is the trade on Phemex here, by the way, 54,000 US dollars in a profit. This trade is still open at a 9,400 US dollar entry. So that's the thing here. I am not trading these shorter term things. I'm just not a day trader. I am more a swing trader. You can decide yourself what you are doing. But if I would have been trading that, I would have traded this bounce here and I would have closed it close to the 12,100 as I predicted it in the last video. So right now I am expecting Bitcoin to bounce either at the VPVR or at this upwards trending support and then to retest the 12,100 US dollar price level. In case of success, I am actually expecting at the $12,500 the first resistance, and in case we are breaking that, you know the deal, guys. What I am expecting here, in case we are breaking that, I expect actually the next price target easily achievable once 12,500 are broken. Here, this previous high from June, July last year, as you know, I pointed that out here in this resistance zone. Well, and for all the exuberant bulls out there, let me give you the really absolute bullish price target in case we are breaking all of these levels. I'm not expecting that in the immediate short term. I want to stay level-headed. I want to stay rational, but the 15,000 US dollar would be the measured move price target out of this breakout. Now you know all my price targets. Now you know all my expectations here for Bitcoin in the immediate short term, the bullish ones, the bearish ones. This is what we want to have as a sophisticated trader. But now let's go over to Ethereum and wait here until the end. I will be showing you my DeFi portfolio. I will be showing you something surprising about XRP, something I would not have expected myself to tell you, but yeah, I just want to come out here and I want to tell you how it is. So I will be talking about XRP, I will be talking about my DeFi portfolio, about new positions I am having in my DeFi portfolio, but first of all I want to talk about Ethereum. And you know my two positions on Bitcoin. Right now I am not having an Ethereum position open. I will be opening it very soon, most probably at the next strong entry point, but also, guys, obviously remember, if you also want to be trading Bitcoin, Ethereum, DeFi projects, Chainlink, and so on, we have our trusted exchanges in the pinned comment here. You can get with our links 502. You know what, guys? It is actually 522. I will update that. Dollars on Bybit, Dudex, or Phemex. If you go to the pinned comment, you get the highest bonuses on YouTube. I negotiated that with these specific exchanges. So if you use these links and you create an account within 20 seconds after your initial deposit, you can get up to these bonuses here completely for free. You can trade with the free bonuses, and that would be at a I would never go with a high leverage like that. But for example, at 100x leverage, if you only touch the bonus, not your own money, that would be a 50,000 US dollar trade completely for free. So make sure you take advantage of that and also consider this is only for experienced traders, guys. But now let's talk about Ethereum. You know we covered Ethereum multiple times. We went bullish at 240 US dollars at this breakout, and our first price target was here 300 US dollars. Our second price target was this measure move here at 400 US dollars on point hit, and our third price target was just hit this night here, approximately here at 450 US dollars. The question everyone is asking right now is, of course, what is the next price target for Ethereum? Well, I am here to tell you my next price target for Ethereum. For this we have to zoom out a little bit, and for this we have to pull out the Fibonacci retracement level. And as you can see, the first Fibonacci retracement level was in alignment with our 400 US dollar price target. It is the 23.6 Fibonacci retracement level, but you will not believe what the next one is, because this is actually also in perfect alignment with my next price target of Ethereum. Here on the 3-day candles, it looks like a very reasonable, easy to achieve price target, but here we are actually talking about the 590 US dollar level, and believe it or not, I think on a daily, weekly time frame, this is a reasonable price target to achieve for Ethereum. I am holding my long-term Ethereum holdings here in my cold wallet, and I am actually expecting price targets like this and higher if this continues more here for Ethereum. But you can let me know in the comment section down below if you think that a price target of 590 US dollars is actually possible for Ethereum in the immediate short term. And this is XRP against US dollar. I would have never thought that I would say that, but I am right now planning to soon open a position on XRP. And remember, you can trade XRP here also on Bybit and Phemex, for example. And the question is, why am I intending to maybe open a position on XRP? In case XRP closes above this level of 31, 32 cents here, above this massive resistance box, which was actually built throughout the last 3 years or so. Once, I mean, we had multiple touch points right here. Look at this. Then we had them right here in October 2017. It turned into support throughout the whole year of 2018 through 2019. It was getting resistance over here in 2019. It was getting resistance also over here in 2020. So I actually don't have to tell you how important this level is, because just recently in September and August we retested it as support. But I think now it might be the case for this XRP breakout. And why do I think so? Because the technicals are right now in alignment with the fundamentals coming up for Ethereum, for XRP. My friend Kyle Chassi from his channel, you can see it right here. I just recently gave him a shout out. He talked about that 2 days ago, because XRP will, through the Flare network, have smart contracts capabilities on the XRP ledger. And obviously that was always the biggest failure point of XRP, because, well, you have very fast transactions here for the banking system, but where are the smart contracts? And with the Flare network, smart contracts are probably going here on the XRP. And let me tell you one thing, I am not an XRP believer, I am not a fan, and I don't think it goes here in alignment with the narrative of cryptocurrency, of Bitcoin, of decentralization. But if I put that aside in a second speculation portfolio, not connected with my crypto portfolio, then I can sleep well here investing in XRP, knowing that it has nothing to do with decentralization. Let me make that very clear. But from a fundamental perspective here, from a technical perspective, once we are closing above, and once this is announced and the people are starting to hype this news here with the Flare network, with the smart contract capabilities, in this case I think a massive hype on XRP can start to be unfolding. We all know the XRP army is very strong, and once they are getting activated, well, this can have a massive rocket fuel towards the upside. Let me pull out this crazy Fibonacci retracement level. So just to tell you what would be the price targets for Ethereum, we would be talking about 86, 87 cents. Why am I measuring that in US dollar? Well, it is not really a cryptocurrency from a traditional point of view. I feel much more comfortable measuring it in US dollar. So 86 cents. And then obviously in the golden pocket, which would be completely crazy, we would be talking about more than $2 already, $2.08 to $2.18 as a price target for Ethereum, if all these things turn out to be working as well as they are. But you can let me know in the pinned comment down below, are you holding XRP and what are your price targets? I really want to know that. You know, guys, I am reading every single comment. I'm not answering every comment, I'm answering some of them, but I'm reading all of them. So leave your thoughts in the comment section down below. I want to see the XRP army here starting to be activated even on our channel. And look at this. Yesterday I talked with DaVinci J15 about Wanchain. We talked about their updated roadmap. We talked about that they are going to launch DeFi projects on their platform. And we had talked about that Wanchain 5.0 is going to be released here in September, most probably. And as you can see here also, we talked about it right here. And look at this pump. If you bought XRP here in the best case scenario, you made 53% gain. And yeah, if you are holding it ever since, if you bought it right here and you are still holding it, you still made a 35% gain on Wanchain just within a few hours after watching our yesterday's video. And that's the thing, guys. This is the weekly chart on Wanchain, as you can see. So if we were to pull out these Fibonacci retracement levels, and if this, I mean, we are seeing some kind of a DeFi bubble. Let's be honest. I want to tell you, I see a bubble unfolding like crazy. There is exuberance in the market, but markets can remain solvent. But markets can remain irrational much longer than they can remain solvent. This quote is from John Maynard Keynes. I talked about that for a year already. I quoted him many times. And you know that John Maynard Keynes is the founder of the central banking system, so to speak. He was talking about expansion and contracting of the supply of fiat currency. So obviously he knows how to create bubbles. And he is the godfather of all these 84 central banks out there. So if someone knows that markets markets can remain irrational longer than you can stay solvent, then it is John Maynard Keynes. And yes, if this bubble continues to unfold here, we have even at the lowest Fibonacci level here, 23.6, already a 26,500 Fibonacci level, which is already a 5 or 6x of the current Bitcoin Satoshi value. And yeah, this is a very hard level to achieve. But if you just take the lowest level, this is already a 5 or 6x measured in Bitcoin here for Wanchain. Obviously, big disclaimer, I am holding Wanchain myself, guys, as many other DeFi positions. You see, after 13 days, we are already raking in 50% gains here in our DeFi portfolio. You see Ample for 75%, DAI Chain right now at the time of recording more than 300% already, Balancer 75%, Decentralized Exchange, Polkadot. I am buying all of these coins for a reason. I see the bubble unfolding. I see that most of these altcoins will be in a few years probably going towards zero, just as it is in nature in bubbles and also for startups. Some of them fail, some of them succeed. So be prepared for your investments to go to zero if you are not taking profits here. And I am planning to take profits, but look at this. It is a sea of green. All of my positions profitable, besides a few here which are unprofitable, just my smallest positions here. And this is the performance in the last 24 hours. And as you can see here, this is the market return since the last week. We were outperforming the market 31%, in the last 3 days 8%, and only in the last day we had a negative return against the market. And I also added extremely risky positions. I consider everything I'm putting in here to go towards zero. That's why I'm putting in 0.2%, 0.1% of my portfolio. Here I am buying the this Yearn Finance JFI yield farming narrative, and I am telling you, most, if not all, of these yield farming tokens are going to zero soon. This is the perfect bubble narrative here. And once all of these tokens are farmed, there is not really another use case behind it. And I can see a lot of these farmers dumping on these projects. So expect this to go to zero anytime soon, guys. I am buying this narrative because I can see potential here only in the immediate short term. I bought YFIE, I bought ZZZ coin, as you know, already 100% in profit. I also bought YFIB, which is extremely risky. It probably goes to zero. Don't buy it, guys. But this is my update for you, just to tell you here completely transparently, these projects here where I'm putting in more, these are the ones I'm more confident in, and these are the ones I'm more holding here for the longer term. But make sure you're subscribing to @MMCrypto on Twitter, because I am posting my portfolio daily here, and everyone who made their own research and who bought it there 13 days ago with me, and after your own research at your own risk, already made like 300%, 80%, 80%, 30%, 52%, obviously here 50% on the portfolio in Bitcoin and in US dollar. This is amazing, so congratulations to you guys. Also, guys, don't forget, if you appreciate all this transparency here, my trades, my price targets, my DeFi portfolio, I mean, I cannot be more transparent. Thank you so much for your support. Scroll down, smash up the like button, give me some feedback if you want more of that in the future. Smash the subscription button, smash the bell, press on all, just to make sure, because I just recognized that YouTube is not really updating you about our next update. So just to make sure that you are going to get updated, smash up the like button for that video right now, and also the bell. And with that being said, guys, we can already see Bitcoin here going down towards our next price target before the next bounce. Hopefully here, let's see how it goes. Let's hope that Bitcoin doesn't break down and fulfill our bearish price target. Let's see how it goes. Thank you so much for watching. Especially thank you so much for everyone watching until the very end. This supports us the most here for the YouTube algorithm. They love it when you watch it until the end. That's why I'm always putting some gems in the end, some picks, some expectations here in the end of the video for everyone who is watching until the end. Thank you so much, guys. We will see each other very soon at the next one of MMCrypto. As always, click the subscription box here, and if you haven't already, watch our Bible tutorial, which is popping up right there. And as always, guys, as always, bye bye.